Welcome to MyKidReports. Today, we'll see how to set up attendance in MyKidReports. After logging in, open the left side menu and tap on Attendance. At the top of the Attendance page, tap the gear icon to open Attendance Settings. Here, we'll first understand all the settings. There are 3 ways to take attendance. 1. Kiosk mode. You can place a tablet at your door and enable kiosk mode to take attendance. Kiosk mode allows parents and staff to check in or out using either a QR code or a unique 6-digit PIN, streamlining attendance management while ensuring both security and accuracy. Now, let's look at the settings inside kiosk mode. Check-in questions. When you enable this, you can edit questions for parents to answer during check-in. You'll see a screen displaying the check-in questions. If you're satisfied, click Save. If you want to add more questions, click plus Add another statement. Here, you'll get 2 options. Free flow text. Parents can type their answers in their own words. Simply type your question, then click Save. Or yes, no answer only. Parents can respond with either yes or no. Write your question, then click Save. Guardian and staff check-in and check-out signature. This requires parents or guardians to provide a digital signature during check-in or check-out, ensuring accountability and accurate record-keeping. There are 4 signature options available. None. No signature will be required. Check-in. A parent signature will be required at the time of check-in. Check-out. A signature will be required at the time of check-out. Both. Signatures will be required at both check-in and check-out. And same for staff check-in, check-out signature. Regenerate QR code. Optionally, you can enable Regenerate QR code. This setting changes the QR code periodically for security reasons, based on the frequency you choose. For example, every 1 hour, every 3 hours, or up to once per week. Geofencing. This ensures check-in or check-out can only happen within a defined distance from the center. For example, if the radius is set to 50 meters, parents and staff can only check in when they are within 50 meters of the preschool location. If you do not want to use kiosk mode, let's move to the second way of attendance, Printable QR Code. This option works similar to kiosk mode, but instead of using a tablet, you generate and print QR codes for parents and staff to scan. Here too, you can set preferences such as check-in questions, signatures, and geofencing. The only difference is that you cannot set a frequency for regenerating the QR code. Now let's see the third way. Here, when staff check in or check out students from the student listing screen, you can optionally choose whether parents should be notified when attendance is marked. Notifications can be set to None, no notification sent, Check-in, notify parents only at check-in, Check-out, notify parents only at check-out, or both. Notify parents at both check-in and check-out. This gives centers flexibility. Staff can manage attendance, and parents can receive updates exactly the way you choose. Now, let's see how to open check-in kiosk mode. So, what is kiosk mode? Check-in kiosk is a feature that streamlines your school check-ins. Parents can check their child in or out using either a unique 6-digit code or by scanning the digital QR code displayed on the kiosk. There are 2 simple ways to put your device into check-in kiosk mode. First method, when you log in as an admin on your device, you'll see Check-in Kiosk on the home screen. Click on it, and you'll find a button labeled Open Check-in Kiosk. When you tap on it, a confirmation pop-up will appear, clearly stating that the device will be locked into kiosk mode. Tap Yes, do it, and now your device is in check-in kiosk mode. Once it's active, no one can use anything else on the device. the device is locked to kiosk mode. If someone tries to exit, they won't be able to continue using the admin account. Instead, the system will log them out, and to use the device again, you'll need to log back in. Second method. You can also receive a dedicated login from us, which you'll find by clicking on Check-in Kiosk. And here you'll find one email ID. Using this email ID and password, you can log in directly into kiosk mode. This login is restricted only to the kiosk feature, so the device will remain locked to attendance check-ins. Now let's see how parents can check in and check out using the kiosk. When parents arrive at the center, they can use the check-in kiosk screen on the device placed at the entrance. There are two ways to complete the process. 1. Scanning a QR code. Parents have to open the MyKidReports app on their phone. When they log in as a parent, they'll see a check-in button at the top of the screen. By tapping it, they can open the scanner and use it to scan the digital QR code displayed on the kiosk to complete check-in or check-out. Another way is by using a 6-digit code. Parents can enter their unique 6-digit code to check their child in or out. To find this code, parents need to log in to their MyKidReports app. From the home screen, tap on the profile icon, then select the student's profile. Scroll down to the Family Members section. Here you'll see the unique 6-digit code. If there is more than one family member, each member will have their own unique code. If parents don't have their device, the school can also provide this code. When the school logs in as an admin, they can go to the left side menu, tap on School, and then open Students. Here, the school can view the check-in codes for every student, including the unique codes for each parent associated with that student. This code can then be entered directly into the kiosk. If check-in questions are enabled, parents will be prompted to answer them before completing the process. If signatures are required, they will also be asked to provide a digital signature. Once complete, the system confirms the action, and parents immediately see that their child has been checked in or out. Now let's see how staff can check in and check out. You can also set up the same check-in and check-out process for staff. When staff log into the MyKidReports app on their phone, they'll see a Check-in Myself option on the home screen. By tapping it, they can scan the kiosk QR code to complete check-in or check-out. Alternatively, if they don't want to scan, they can also enter their unique code. Staff can find their check-in code in their profile details, or they can also get it from the school. You can also set check-in questions and signatures for staff, just like for parents. Now let's see how to modify hours in attendance. From the left side menu, go to Attendance. Here, you'll see the list of children, and when you click on Staff, you can view the list of staff members along with their check-in and check-out times. If you want to find someone quickly, use the search bar or apply filters such as Checked In Only to narrow the list. If a time needs to be corrected, for example, if a child was checked in late or if parents or staff forgot to check out, you can update it manually. First, select the starting week. Then, choose the child from the list and click on their record. Tap on the check-in or check-out time and adjust it to the correct time. Once updated, the system will automatically recalculate the total hours for that day. If you want to add hours that are not already listed, click Add Hours, enter the date, check-in time, and check-out time, then save. The same process can also be used to modify hours for staff. This feature ensures that attendance records remain accurate even if a check-in or check-out was missed or entered incorrectly. Now let's see how to view attendance reports. From the left side menu, go to Attendance. This screen gives you a complete report of check-in and check-out activity. You can use filters to view the information you need. For example, select the starting week, search for a specific student, or apply filters like Checked In Only to narrow the list. You can also view attendance reports for staff by clicking on the Staff tab. This allows you to quickly review attendance records for both children and staff with all details clearly displayed. Start your free trial today and experience how MyKidReports can simplify childcare management for you.